Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to remove background using Fuzzy Select tool on GIMP. Before we grab Fuzzy Select tool, we just need to make sure that we have alpha channel added. We have to ensure this alpha channel so the deleted pixels will go to transparency. Now we can click right here and add alpha channel. So in case when you click right, if you see this grayed out, then that means you already have it alpha channel added. After we ensure our alpha channel, we can select the Fuzzy Select tool, and from the properties of the Fuzzy Select tool, we just need to make sure anti-aliasing, feather edges, and the draw mask is selected. Draw mask setting will generate a colored overlay that will give us good idea is our selection going good or not. After these settings, we will click left on the background and we will move it a little bit down. Once we are happy with the background, we can press delete. So this delete will go to transparency, and we have to keep doing this action to remove all the unnecessary parts. Just make sure this selection doesn't go to our person. If you see some small parts hasn't deleted yet, you can zoom in, so you can also control this. After you finish, you can hold down the Ctrl Shift A to remove the selections. So now we have removed the background. I hope it was useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you in another tutorial. Bye bye.